Let's take you live now to our US correspondent, James Matthews, who's in West Palm Beach in Florida, home, of course, to Donald Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate. James, let's start with that FBI thwarting an Iranian murder-for-hire plot.
Yeah, hi, Simon. That's just broken in the past few minutes. AP are reporting that there was indeed a plot by Iran to assassinate Donald Trump before the presidential election. A contact was identified, somebody who could carry out this proposed mission. The plan was to try to assassinate Trump before a particular date. We're talking about around September time. And if it had not been done by that time, this plot was to wait until the election, thinking that Donald Trump would lose, and then re-engage in a plot to assassinate him, thinking that after defeat in the US election, it would then be easier to kill him. So quite a complicated scheme, I suppose, but at the heart of it, an Iranian official plot to assassinate Donald Trump. The FBI unsealing these documents, as I say, within the past few minutes. That will now proceed through the courts. Something that won't be proceeding through the courts, I can tell you, and again, this is broken within the past half hour, are the federal criminal cases against Donald Trump. At least that is how it is looking. Jack Smith, the special counsel who has been leading the prosecution in the January the 6th election interference case, he has notified the judge to say, we want to vacate the deadlines, essentially put things on pause whilst the government has a think about where it goes next. But bearing in mind that there is a policy long recognised that there is no prosecution of a sitting president, that's clearly where the thinking is. And I think we see the start of the process of certainly that case falling away. We still await confirmation of developments on the other federal case, that one with regard to the mishandling of classified documents in Mar-a-Lago, Florida. We await news on that one, but it wouldn't be no surprise if that didn't follow suit. So I think right now we are seeing that process of massaging these criminal prosecutions into the distance, certainly knocking it beyond the presidential term. In terms of other developments, not much from Donald Trump actually today. There hasn't been over the past couple of days. He is in Mar-a-Lago in the company of Elon Musk, of course. He's still there. Axios are reporting here that there was a call to Zelensky, or between Zelensky and Trump. Elon Musk was included in that call, and there was a reiteration of his support in terms of the use of Starlink for Ukraine. In terms of the full detail of that call, not yet known, but interesting that Elon Musk was a party to that very important conversation, and perhaps a reflection of the influence that he will have moving forward. Donald Trump clearly focused on the politics right now, but hasn't taken his gaze off his business interests, this businessman. He's been posting on Truth Social, having been silent on social media for a while. Within the past couple of hours, he has taken to Truth Social, his media platform, to say there is no truth in the rumour that I am trying to sell Truth Social, this media platform that he owns. Donald Trump, the politician, the future president, but the businessman at heart.
James, live from Mar-a-Lago. Thanks very much indeed. Lots to update us on there.